In Smoke Ghost, Fritz Leiber introduces us to Catesby Ran, a frazzled advertising executive in 1940s Chicago. Overworked and overwhelmed by the industrial city's noise and grime, Rand begins to sense a disturbing presence following him, an eerie, shapeless figure made of soot, smoke, and city filth. This ghost doesn't come from ancient folklore or haunted castles. It feels modern, born from factories, alleys, and urban decay. Rand becomes increasingly obsessed with this ghost, which he believes watches him from rooftops and mirrors. It begins appearing in his dreams and eventually manifests more clearly, horrifying and demanding recognition. The story climaxes in a terrifying confrontation where Rand is forced to acknowledge the ghost's existence, not as a remnant of the past, but as something new and tied to modern life. Leiber's brilliance lies in reimagining what a ghost could be. Instead of traditional white-sheeted phantoms or gothic spirits, Smoke Ghost gives us an urban specter, an entity formed from the stress, pollution, and soullessness of industrial society. It symbolizes post-depression anxiety, the alienation of city life, and the dehumanizing effects of modernity. Rand's haunting is psychological as much as supernatural, and the story's creeping dread has more in common with psychological horror and noir than classic ghost tales. This tale is often credited as a precursor to urban fantasy and modern horror, where the city itself becomes a source of the supernatural. It challenges the idea that ghosts belong only to the past, suggesting instead that each era creates its own monsters.